Hey Queens, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am tan. My tan has developed with a little bit too much on my hands, so hopefully that doesn't distract you during the video. You read the title correctly. I'm going to try to follow Scott Barnes doing Tati's makeup and try to see if I can do that on my face. I know that he's very unique on the way that he does makeup, but he's definitely like really good at it. If you don't know who Scott Barnes is, he is Jennifer Lopez's makeup artist. Simply amazing. She is always gorgeous, and he actually has his own like makeup brushes, makeup out, contour palettes, brushes. He has like all of his own line out, which I really want to get his contour palette because I love contour. But me and you, are about to film me trying to do that. So I'm gonna try that on my face. I'm pretty sure I have none of the brushes that he uses or none of the products. So it's gonna be fun to try to mock it and try to do it. So if you wanna see how I mess up this whole procedure, then keep on watching. Okay, so already I've been watching it, and I don't think he does primer or anything before. He just dives right into the concealer. So I have my monitor down here that I'm going to watch the video, and then I'm going to try it on my face, and let's just see what happens.
I always start with contouring. I always start with the dark, and then I add the light. It's not about contouring.
Okay, so he starts with the dark and goes to the light, so he just goes straight in to dark. Does anybody else do that? Leave a comment down below on how, like, what do you start with? Like, do you start with the foundation and then go into contour? Do you just, like, not put anything on your face and just go straight into contour? It's crazy.
Like a video shoot, music video or something like that.
Yeah, you guys, I'm going to sing for you at the end of this.
Okay, so I'm going to use all-nighter, right? Okay. And I'm going to go in ham.
So I don't have all-nighter, but I do have my Born This Way concealer in light beige, and he just goes all over the face. So let's see how this works. Oh my god, that is a lot. Y'all know how much I do concealer. I don't do that much. I do like a few dots. So I think I actually got concealer in this eye, because he goes like right on the waterline. Like, he gets right up in there.
Now, this is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this is always the question, right? So I bring the light right all the way up to the edge. And sometimes you see really bad nose contour, and it looks like they're behind bars. Okay, couple brushes. Let's.
Okay, so he's not done. He goes back in. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, so that's it. That is a lot. That is a lot of concealer. Okay. Oh my god, I'm dying now. Okay.
Yes. For a second. If we're going to talk about Jennifer, Jennifer calls this a cat paw.
Oh.
Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
Okay, so I do not have that brush. Oh, nope. Oh no. Like, the closest thing I have to a flat brush is this one. Am I gonna have to do my whole face using this brush? I think so. That's the only one that I have. I only have... Okay, cool. So we're gonna use this one. Okay, so 10 years later, using this little bitty brush, I finally blended everything out. I really hope that he does some form of setting, because this forehead is already creasing, and I don't... Yeah, so this is a look. So let's see what the next thing is. Oh my god.
All right, jaws. We're going to come in with the jaws of life.
Okay, so now it's contour time, and he has like a paintbrush, so I'm going to use this one. It's just a little... Oh my god, my hands look disgusting on camera. I have to fix that, but not now. So he's going in with the jawline already. I have... Let's see, I have this cream stick. Which one is this one? Oh, that's the shadow. Okay, so the only like liquid contour that I actually have here is this little Anastasia Beverly Hills stick, and it is in the shade Mink. So hopefully this works. It just looks like I have a beard. Why does it just look like I have a beard? Okay, cool. I mean, I have a 5 o'clock shadow. That's awesome. I did not pay all that money for laser hair removal to have it come back. Yep, I have a 5 o'clock shadow. Okay, that didn't work out whatsoever. Okay, so I shortened my forehead. Did I shorten it enough? Oh my god, I look crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I think he's going into nose contour now. And let's see.
Really mess up with contouring. See?
Oh wait, angle brush. So the only thing that I have that skinny and angled is this eyebrow brush. And, I mean, I think that'd be good for like snatching. So let's see how he does it.
Over contour, and then they drag all this brown into the nose and into the side of the face.
Okay. Yeah, that kind of looks like it. Okay, whatever. I mean, at this point...
They just FaceTime it later, just saying.
Which is an issue. Now, the trick to having a fuller lip...
Oh. Okay, so, I forgot he does this. Okay, so, he contours the lips, and so, I mean, you should use the same brush and just go over my lips. I don't think I did that right. I really don't. I don't think I did that right. Yeah, it just looks like I have a weird mustache now. Oh, damn it. Oh my god. Okay, so, okay. Ugh.
Chanel on you. Ready?
Oh.
We're going to start with...
He started ready, and I'm like...
Okay, so he goes around pretty much like the whole face, except for like this area with foundation. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go in. I'm using this brush because he's using like a really fluffy brush. And my kabuki... Okay, no. I'm just going to use my foundation brush and just kind of go... Okay, let's see. I mean, cute. Like, on camera, I don't know how it's gonna look like while I'm editing it, but on camera right now on my monitor, I mean, this looks pretty good. In person, not cute.
Marrying everybody together. My favorite thing is when you watch newscasters and their neck and their face are in 2 different zip codes. You're like...
Okay, so he's going in with a lighter concealer right under the eye. Where's my brush? Okay, so he has like a lighter concealer, and he's going like up closer. Actually, it's more like a white, like up closer to her eye.
Oh, and then they blink their eyes and the lid's white. Okay, powder.
Okay, so he already blended the nose. Damn it. Okay. Wish he would have shown how to do that. Okay, so now he's going into highlighter. I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia one because it has like really pretty colors, like hello. And he just kind of like...
Dad jokes. I got dad jokes all
we welcome
day.
that on my channel. Yeah. Very much.
Look at your nose.
Okay, so he has like a really big fan brush. Don't have a really big fan brush. I do have this contour brush. It's kind of like angled or whatever. I'm just gonna go into these. Ooh. I'm just gonna go into these two. And he just does like a really like... Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Cute. So I don't think that that's the look that he was going for, but... Not you, though. Okay, so I went ahead and put a little bit of like concealer on my eyelids because that's what she looks like because I haven't put anything on them. So now it just looks like it's blending in a little bit better. And then he goes in with some highlighter under the brow bone. So... See, it's working on my eyebrow. Why won't it work on my nose? This is so annoying. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I said
they don't click like they used to. They don't click.
Why it won't go on my nose. Okay, so we are highlighted. Finally got that nose to shine. Got my eyebrows highlighted. And let's see what the next thing is.
Yes.
She's like, I went to a party. She's like, everybody treated me differently. It was so crazy.
Makeup's powerful. It really is.
It's a transformer.
Okay, so we have some Twitter questions. Questions. Kay Harris wants to know.
Okay, so now he's going in with powder contour. He's using like another like fan brush. I'm just gonna use the brush that I use. And I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna warm this up. So I'm gonna go in with my warm color that I have and just kind of like chisel my stuff out. Okay, so I think I went a little bit too warm on the powder. Oops, but I got my life back on my face. Okay, this is already... I should just give up at this point. I mean, we're already here, so we're just gonna keep on going.
Okay, so lip. This is number 7, which is called Naked or Natural or Nude or something like that.
Okay, so he went in with a lip pencil. He did her lips like an outline. So I'm gonna outline and then let's see. That doesn't look right. You know what? I mean, at this point, we're just gonna keep going with it. We're just gonna. And then he used a gloss and just kind of like flicked it. So whatever that means. That is not right. That's not right. It's not right. That's not right. Okay.
This is Sarah Artistry. I use these for brows. Believe it or not.
He's going in with a powder to do brows. Tati look cute with your little brows, but and I have big brows, so I mean, if he's going in with it, then I'm gonna go in with it. So I'm just gonna go in with the same Too Faced one that I use for contour, but I'm gonna go in like this lighter color. And I guess fill in my brow. I mean, I do not do a powder brow. I do not do powder eyebrows whatsoever, and that's why, because it literally did nothing to my face. I cannot get over my lips, honestly. I'm just gonna hide behind the camera, so I can't see my lips because the camera's right there, and so this is how I'm gonna be for the rest of the video because I can't handle. Okay, so I went ahead and did like my brows how I normally kind of do because I couldn't deal with that powder stuff, and then I kind of like patted around my lips because that was just looking too, I couldn't do it. I could not.
So what I do with this, just so you guys can, I don't know if you can see this or if it helps, I almost work it in a circle. Now, still one color. I just want to keep reminding everybody. The talent is in the brush. Okay,
so he's going on to eyes. He has like a brown color. And he already like did the under eye, and then he's just going into the crease. So I'm gonna go in with this brush, and we're gonna go in with Ritual and the Tati palette.
Okay, so this is a mascara that Scott was telling me will work beautifully with your false lashes.
This is buildable, and it's really great, and I'm going to show you how it looks great on.
But it's for minimal removal too.
Yes,
I
comes up. Yeah.
So let's do
And it also works too if you have I got lash extender.
Okay.
So this formula, I made sure that you're
really okay. I have lashes.
Alright, Queens, this is the final look. I went ahead and threw on some mascara, some lashes, and what do you think? I mean, do I look like J-Lo? Because this is like the J-Lo look, so I'm kind of feeling my J-Lo vibe. I feel like that, you know, I need to go to the Super Bowl and do my halftime show. What about you? You like it? Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that you know when I post, because you know I'm not consistent on what day I'm going to post, but it's going to be either one time a week or twice a week. But either way, hit the bell so that you get it, and follow me on all my social media because I go on there before I post and while I'm posting my video to let everyone know that I just posted a video. So go on all my stuff, please, because I'll follow you back. Love you.